Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Now my group went to tell you about your test, its verbal evaluation and your group is. Okay, let's start it. Anesthesia card document. Hello, we are one number Sultan Buana. Two number Teddy Setiadi and Yazid Muhammad Fardan. Anesthesia documentation respect a detailed account of the patient. Anesthesia card during various phases of anesthesia, including pre-anesthesia assessment and evaluation, informed consent, anesthesia service, and post-anesthesia card. The primary purpose of anesthesia documentation is to capture accurate and comprehensive information to communicate a patient anesthesia experience. The patient that it's a legal document. The formal record of anesthesia card is also reference for recognition, quality improvements, and review by external organization.
Depending upon several local factors. Documentation may be provided on a paper record or within an electronic record. Anesthesiologists might delegate to appropriate trained and certified anesthesia care team members any portion of the very procedural recording keeping, but they should play an active role to ensure that accurate and thorough medical record keeping is accomplished. Documentation should meet all applied regulatory, legal, and billing compliance requirements. In specific circumstances, emergency, rapidly developing critical event, time-sensitive equally clinic care activities. An anesthesiology or anesthesia care team member may be in conflict between in primary obligation to ensure patient safety and best clinical care and comprehensive medical record document. In this circumstance, attention to clinical care recruitment remains the primary obligation. Medical record document should be provided as soon as appropriate in view of commenting. Primary clinical care recruitment, the record should include documentation of general anesthesia or monitored anesthesia record should include pre-anesthesia evaluation performed within 48 hours prior to surgery or produce recruiting anesthesia service. And second, intraoperative anesthesia record. And third, post-anesthesia evaluation is complete to later than 48 hours after surgery or procedure recruiting anesthesia service. And then anesthesia start and stop times and valid signatures of the rendering prof.
Pre-anesthesia evaluation. A. Patient interview to access. 1. Patient and procedure identification. 2. Anticipation disposition. 3. Medical history includes patient ability to give informed consent. 4. Sugar history. 5. Anesthesia history. And 6. Current medical list. Seven, allergy adverse drug reactive include reaction type egg and FO status. 9, documenting the process of the preparation plan for accepting advanced differences. B, appropriate physical example include vital sign, height and weight, and document of airway assessment and cardiopulmonary exam. C. Review of objective diagnostic data. Example, laboratory, ECG, X-ray, and medical record. D. Medical consultant when applied. E. Assessment of ASA physical status include emergent status when applied. F. The anesthesia plans include plans for post-anesthesia care and fine management. Z. Document of informed consent to include risks, benefit, and alternative of the anesthesia plan and post-operative pain management plan. H. Appropriate premedication and prophylactic antibiotic administration, or if indicated. Next, intraoperative or procedural anesthesia, or team-based record of events. A. Immediately prepare to the start of anesthesia care and anesthesia procedure. 1. Patient to re-evaluation. 2. Confirmation of obligatory of and appropriate function of all necessary equipment, medical, and staff. B. Physiologic monitoring data. Example, recording of result of from routine and monitoring device. C. Medical administration. Dose, time, route, response where appropriate. D. Intravenous pulse, type, volume, and time. Next, technique use. F. Patient positioning and action to record the chain of advanced patient effect or complication related to positioning. G. Educational procedure promote special location, settlement, type or size, specific insertion technique, example, sterile technique use of ultrasound. Anti-action to reduce the chain of the relative complication. Example, catheter-based infection prevention measure, stabilization technique, and dressing. Next, unusual or not worry happen during surgery and anesthesia care. Patient status at transfer of care to staff to post-anesthesia care unit or PACU, or an area with present environment post-anesthesia care. Example, ICU, SDS, or floor nurse. Post-anesthesia. A time-based record of events that reflects the patient status on administration and discussed from the post-anesthesia care unit or PACU as determined by a qualified anesthesia provided or by local. Different preset protocol or EI post-anesthesia, not to be complete only when a patient is successfully recovered from actually administration of anesthesia and can patient in the evaluation or administration to the intensive care unit. B. In the PACU is by Centeria de machine. That patent status and transfer of car are uploaded. Next. C.
G. It not the responsibility of the anesthesiology to document the patient condition throughout the PACU stay or when leaving the PACU. D. Significance of the unexpected post procedure event complication. E. Post anesthesia evaluation documenting physiologist condition and absence of anesthesia related complication or complaint. Next. Anesthesia record dan
And
anesthesia record.
example, this document for anesthesia record.
Next. Okay, thank you.